Master Yoda, do you think it will really come to war?
The dark side clouds everything. Pain, suffering, death, I fear. Something terrible has happened. Hard to see the dark side is.
Sometimes we must let go of our pride and do what is requested of us.
His abilities have made him, well, arrogant.
Yes. A flaw more and more common among Jedi. Too sure of themselves they are. Even the older, more experienced ones.
I've disappointed you. I haven't been very appreciative of your training. I've been arrogant, and I apologize. I've just been so frustrated with the Council.
You are strong and wise, Anakin, and I am very proud of you. I have trained you since you were a small boy. I have taught you everything I know, and you have become a far greater Jedi than I could ever hope to be. But be patient.
Do not assume anything. Clear your mind must be if you are to discover the real villains behind this plot.
Yes, but use your feelings, Anakin. Something is out of place.
Have you ever considered that we may be on the wrong side?
What do you mean?
What if the democracy we thought we were serving no longer exists? And the Republic has become the very evil we've been fighting to destroy?
I don't believe that.
This war represents a failure to listen.
The truth.
The truth. What if I told you that the Republic was now under the control of the Dark Lord of the Sith?
No, that's not possible. The Jedi would be aware of it.
The dark side of the Force has clouded their vision, my friend. Hundreds of senators are now under the influence of a Sith Lord called Darth Sidious.
Lies, deceit, creating mistrust are his ways now. Afraid, are you? Fear is the path to the dark side. Fear leads to anger. Anger leads to hate. Hate leads to suffering. How feel you?
I feel lost.
Lost? What do you mean?
Something's happening. I'm not the Jedi I should be. I want more. And I know I shouldn't.
You expect too much of yourself. To be angry is to be human.
I'm a Jedi. I know I'm better than this.
Impossible to see. The future is. These visions you have.
They're of pain, suffering, death.
Yourself you speak of? Careful you must be when sensing the future, Anakin. The fear of loss is a path to the dark side.
I won't let these visions come true, Master Yoda.
Death is a natural part of life. Rejoice for those around you who transform into the Force. Mourn them, do not. Miss them, do not. Attachment leads to jealousy. The shadow of greed, that is.
What must I do, Master Yoda?
Train yourself to let go of everything you fear to lose. I sense much fear in you.
Training to become a Jedi is not an easy challenge. And even if you succeed, it's a hard life. Midichlorians are a microscopic life form that resides within all living cells.
They live inside me.
Inside your cells, yes. And we are symbionts with them.
Symbionts?
Life forms living together for mutual advantage. Without the midichlorians, life could not exist, and we would have no knowledge of the Force. They continually speak to us, telling us the will of the Force.
The Force?
The Force is what gives the Jedi his power. It's an energy field created by all living things. It surrounds us and penetrates us. It binds the galaxy together.
To wield it takes a great deal of training and discipline.
When you learn to quiet your mind, you'll hear them speaking to you.
Patience. Use the Force. Think. You're focusing on the negative. Be mindful of your thoughts.
Concentrate on the moment. Feel. Don't think. Use your instincts. Your focus determines your reality. May the Force be with you.
Let me help you to know the subtleties of the Force.
How do you know the ways of the Force?
My mentor taught me everything about the Force, even the nature of the dark side.
You know the dark side?
Anakin, if one is to understand the great mystery, one must study all its aspects, not just the dogmatic, narrow view of the Jedi. If you wish to become a complete and wise leader, you must embrace a larger view of the Force. Be careful of the Jedi, Anakin. Only through me can you achieve a power greater than any Jedi. Learn to know the dark side of the Force, and you will be able to save your wife from certain death.
What did you say?
Use my knowledge, I beg you. You're the Sith Lord. I know what's been troubling you. Listen to me.
Don't continue to be a pawn of the Jedi Council. Ever since I've known you, you've been searching for a life greater than that of an ordinary Jedi. A life of significance, of conscience. Are you going to kill me?
I would certainly like to.
I know you would. I can feel your anger. It gives you focus, makes you stronger.
I'm going to turn you over to the Jedi Council. He knows the ways of the Force. He's been trained to use the dark side.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
And our worst fears have been realized.
He was deceived by a lie. We all were. It appears that the Chancellor is behind everything, including the war. Palpatine is the Sith Lord we've been looking for. After the death of Count Dooku, Anakin became his new apprentice.
The shroud of the dark side has fallen.
Your anger and your lust for power have already done that. You have allowed this Dark Lord to twist your mind until now you have become the very thing you swore to destroy.
If you're not with me, then you're my enemy.
Only a Sith deals in absolutes. I will do what I must.
There's much fear in you.
May the Force be with us all.